Dear student, in this video I would like to calculate one simple problems on balancing. Okay, the question is that four masses M1, M2, M3 and M4 are 200 kg, 300 kg, 240 kg and 260 kg respectively. The corresponding radii of rotation are 0.2 meter, 0.15 meter, 0.25 meter and 0.3 meter respectively, and the angle between successive mass are 45 degree, 75 degree and 135 degree. Calculate the position and magnitude of the balance mass required if it is radius of rotation is 0.2 meter by analytical method. Right? So in this problem, first of all, you have to write what are the given conditions are there. Okay, so given are mass M1 is given, that is M1 equal to 200 kg and M2 is 300 kg, so that is M2 equal to 300 kg, M3 equal to 240 kg, right, and M4 equal to 260 kg, right. And similarly you have to write radii of rotation, the corresponding radii of rotation, that is R1 equal to 0.2 meter, R2 equal to 0.15 meter, right, and R3 equal to 0.25 meter and R4 equal to 0.3 meter, right. Similarly you have to write the angle between the successive masses are 45 degree, 75 degree and 135 degree. So normally the horizontal masses will be always 0 degree, so that is theta 1 equal to 0 degree, theta 2 equal to 45 degree, theta 3 equal to 45 degree plus 75 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. Okay, theta 4 equal to 45 degree plus 75 degree plus 135 degree, so that is to be calculated 255 degree, right. So and finally to calculate the position and magnitude of the balancing mass required if it is radius of rotation is 0.2 meter, that means R equal to 0.2 meter, right. So after writing the given condition, we should calculate by analytical method. This is the analytical method. So in previous video we discussed about to calculate the balancing mass by analytical method. So these are the six methods to calculate the analytical method. First method is to calculate the centrifugal force, that is equal to F into M into F equal to M into R. And the second method, solving the resolve horizontal force and vertical force, right. So these are the six steps to calculate the analytical method. So first one is F equal to MR. See, centrifugal force, that is M1 R1 equal to, what is the value of M1? 200 into R1 is 0.2 equal to M2 R2 equal to, the value of M2 is 300 into R2 is 0.15. Similarly, M3 R3 equal to, M3 is 240, R3 is 0.25 equal to M4 R4 equal to, the value of M4 is 260 into R4 0.3, that is equal to, so if we calculate 200 into 0.2, so that is equal to 40 kg meter. Similarly, if we calculate this 300 into 15, that is 45 kg meter. 245 into 0.25 is 60 kg meter, and 260 into 0.3 equal to 78 kg meter. After calculating the first point, we want to calculate a second step of analytical method. So after calculating this centrifugal force M into R, next we want to calculate resolving the centrifugal force of different mass horizontally, vertically, and calculate their sum. Okay, summation of H and summation of V. So resolve horizontally, that is summation of H equal to M1 R1 cos theta 1 plus M2 R2 cos theta 2 plus M3 R3 cos theta 3 plus M4 R4 cos theta 4, right? So summation of H equal to, the value of M1 R1 is 40 kg, so that is 40 into cos theta 1 is 0 degree, 0 plus M2 R2 is 45 cos theta 2 is 45, right, plus M3 R3 is 60 cos the value of theta 3 is 45 plus 75, 120 degree, plus M4 R4 is 78 cos theta 4 is 255. So calculate the summation of H. 40 into cos 0, that is 40, plus 45 into cos 45 degree, so that is, cos 45 is 0.52 into 45, $23.63 cos 120 degree into 60, that is 40 into cos 0 is 40, right? 45 into cos 45, that is 31.81, right? 60 into cos 120 degree, so that is minus 30. 78 into cos 255, that is minus 20.18. So calculating all these, we get the value 21.6 kg meter. Similarly, to calculate resolve vertical, that is summation of V equal to M1 R1 sin theta 1 plus M2 R2 sin theta 2 plus M3 R3 sin theta 3 plus M4 R4 sin theta 4. So summation of V equal to M1 R1 is 40 into sin theta 1 is 0 plus M2 R2 is 45 sin theta 2 is 45 degree plus M3 R3 is 60 sin theta 3 is 120 degree plus M4 R4 is 78 sin theta 4 is 255. So after calculating, we get the value with the help of scientific calculator, that is 8.5 kg meter. Okay, so we already calculated 2 steps of analytical method, and the third step is magnitude of resultant centrifugal force. That is third step, magnitude of resultant of centrifugal force. That means Fc equal to square root of summation of h square plus summation of v square, right? So Fc equal to summation of square root of summation of h is 21.6, so 21.6 square plus summation of v is 8.5 square. So calculating with the help of calculator, so we get the value so 21.6 square, okay, answer, plus 8.5 square root of answer, we get the value 23.5. 2. So this is a kg meter. So fourth step is to calculate theta. Okay, so tan theta equal to summation of V divided by summation of H, or you can use theta equal to tan inverse of theta summation of V divided by summation of H. That is, fourth step is direction of resultant, right? So that is theta 1 equal to tan inverse of 1 summation of V divided by summation of H. So tan inverse of summation of V is 8.5, right? Summation of H is 21.6. So calculating this one, 8.5 divided by 21.6, right? So tan inverse of answer we get 21.48 degree. Next, fifth one, to calculate balancing mass. Okay, so that is R equal to mR. M equal to R by R. So what is the resultant of R? Before calculating the resultant R, we know that resultant R equal to 23.2 kg meter, and small r is given, that is 0.2, right, meter. So substituting this one, M equal to, what is the R? 23.2 divided by 0.2. So we get the value, that is 116 kg, right? So after calculating all this, finally theta 1 is the direction of resultant from the horizontal mass. So for calculating the theta equal to theta 1 plus 180 degree, it is because the angle of mass from the horizontal, which is exactly in opposite direction to the resultant. So theta 1 is nothing but 21.48 plus 180 degree. So that is equal to 201.48 degree. Okay, so it is required to draw the space diagram. So approximately this is the center point, this is the horizontal line. Okay, the mass is 200 kg, that is m1. The distance is r1 equal to 0.2 meter. Okay, and at an angle 45 degree. Okay, so this is the mass m2 equal to 300 kg. Okay, what is the angle from here to here? That is 45 degree. So initially I told you that theta 1 equal to 0. It is because of a horizontal line. Okay, so for a mass 2, that is 45 degree. So third mass is that is 240 kg at a distance of r3 is 0.25 meter. This is r2 is 0.15 meter at an angle. What is the theta 2? 75 degree. That means we already drawn the line 45 degree. 45 degree plus 75 degree is 120 degree. That is why I written theta 3 is 45 plus 75 equal to 120 degree. And what is the fourth mass? So this is the M3. The fourth mass is 255 degree at an angle 255 degree. So from here to here is 255 degree. So this is the M4 255 kg is 260 kg. So this is the 260 kg at an angle 255 degree. It is because the 45 degree plus 75 degree, 45 plus 75 equal to 255 degree. Okay, so after getting the value of mass, that is the mass, this is the mass 116. Okay, and theta is 201.48 degree. So from here to from horizontal mass we can draw the 201 degree. So approximately it will be come this side. So this is the angle from here to angle. This is 201.48 degree. Okay, so this mass we already calculated, that is M equal to 116 kg. The distance is given, that is R equal to 0.2 meter. Okay, thank you.